I'm going to start by saying I feel really honoured to have been awarded this medal. I've been very lucky in working with some wonderful colleagues over the years, and I'm grateful for all those organisations and individuals that have funded and participated in my research. And I think for me, particular highlights have been the WISERD Education multi-cohort study. We've been running that in Wales for the past 8 years, and it follows the lives and experiences of hundreds, in fact thousands, of young children as they progress through school in Wales. And it's revealed some really important insights into their perceptions and their concerns for the future. We've also been very lucky to be awarded 2 grants from the Economic and Social Research Council to develop expertise in civil society. And for me, I'm particularly interested in the relationship between civil society, education, and young people's rights. I'd like to thank the Learned Society of Wales for providing a platform to showcase educational research. Developing a sustainable and vibrant research community is really important for the future of Wales. Wales has a long and proud tradition of investment in education as a means of increasing self-determination, social justice, and national progress. If we are to retain and build on this tradition, we need to build a solid and academically excellent research base here in Wales. So we've got a long way to go, but I feel sure that the Learned Society of Wales will make an important contribution.